inches, here they come.
Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing and assembling my 3.5 foot Celtic Tombstone from Lowe's. Taking a look inside the box. In the box we have the top of the cross itself, the base, a little screw that'll actually connect the base and the cross together, and then there's a weighted base that can be screwed on to the base in these little spaces here. But the thing about the weighted base, it also has a place in the middle where if you want to drive a yard stake in the yard and sit it on top of that to give it a little bit more stability. Let's get it assembled. When assembling the base to the cross, you'll notice this little cutout pattern right there. It matches a cutout pattern on the base. And this ring goes through this hole here. You turn it upside down and then just use the ring there to attach the two together. And as you can see there in the base, just screw the little lock on there. It did come with some screws to screw the weighted base onto the bottom here, and that'll give it some more stability. And again, that weighted base does have that central hole where you can sit it on top of a yard stake in the yard. And there you have the 3.5 foot Celtic Tombstone. Got this at Lowe's, and it's produced by Haunted Living. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.
18 inches, here they come.